Welcome to our new lecture series of C programming. From today, we are going to cover each and every topic of C programming. So we will start with installation of software in which we will write our C programming code. So there are many different softwares in which we can write our C programming code. But I would like to suggest to you that you should install code blocks. So I will show you how to install our code blocks software so that we can write our C programming code in that. It is basically a compiler that we are going to install. You can use code blocks, you can use Turbo C, but I would like to use code blocks, and you can also use DEV for C programming, DEV software. But I would like to suggest to you that you should install code blocks, as intelligence in code blocks is very much effective. So I will go to Google Chrome and I will start searching for code blocks. I will write here code blocks. You have to go to codeblocks.org. www.codeblocks.org. I will open this, and there are binary releases. There you should go to downloads. After that, download the binary release. Download the binary release. Then uh, after that, we will go to code blocks mingw setup. Okay, code blocks 20.0 20.03 mingw setup.exe. So I will click on sourceforge.net. After clicking on this, it will automatically start downloading. So it has been downloaded here. Now I will wait till it will get finished. So I will pause my video till then. So guys, I am done with this. I have downloaded this software and that has been stored in my downloads folder. And this is our code blocks 20.03 mingw setup. And I will install this software from here. I will double click on this and I will install it. I will simply click next. I will click I agree, next. So this is the folder where I want to install this. Install, and it will take some time to get installed. My installation is going to finish now. So do you want to run code blocks now? Yes. Next. Finish. So I have installed my code blocks. Before I will run my code blocks, I want to mention here one thing, that I have to set a path variable. So I will go to search. I will type here advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. So this is my advanced system settings. I will go here. After that, sorry, I will again write here advanced advanced system settings. This is my advanced system settings. I will set variable here. I will go to environment variables. Here I will define new path. So what should be my path variable name? I will mention here. Say I will mention path path, its name. And what should be the variable value? That should be, I will go to this PC, then C drive, then program files, code blocks, mingw, bin. I will double click here, copy this path, copy, and go to advanced system settings. Here I will paste it here. Okay, now my path is being mentioned here. I will click OK. OK. Now I am done with installation. Now I can write my first C programming. I can create my first C programming project. So I will create a new project here. I will do some program. I will create a new project here, and here I will go to console application, then click go. Next, I have to start lecture series in C, not in C++ this time. First I will finish my C programming, then we will start our C++. Then next, project title. What should be the title of my project? Anything, whatever is your project's title or name, whatever you want to mention. Suppose my project is, I will write here my first project, and here this is where would we want to save our project. I will save it on desktop right now. You can change it here. You can save it in any other folder also, but I want to save it on desktop. Then I will click next, finish. So my first project has been created. You can see my first project is on desktop. You can see it in, you can see it here. This is my first project folder, and this is where I am going to create my project. So now this is already open here. I will click on sources main.c. This is my first C program that I want to run, and this is not the topic of this time, return 0. I will delete it here. I will simply write printf. Remember, this printf here means we have to print something here. So I will write hello world. This is our first C program in which we will print this line, hello world. So this is my debug and this is my run. First, I have to debug my program, then I have to run. Now I will run my program. It has been created. Do you want to save it? Yes, I will run now. This is our output, hello world. Okay. So in this tutorial is not related to basic programming. This was related to installation. Now from next tutorial, from next lecture, from next tutorial, we will discuss basic concepts of C programming, and after that we can move forward. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Indus Technologies. Thanks.